Good morning class, this is chapter number 7B of geography, that is India, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. So if you want to know the natural environment of any place, we should know about its landform, means mountains, plateaus, hills, etc. About the drainage system, that means about the rivers, and about the climate. So climate is one of the most fundamental elements that influences human life in a variety of ways. For example, if we are saying that the climate of the mountainous region is cold, the people who are living there, they used to wear heavy woolen clothes throughout the year. On the other hand, the people who are living in the southern part, that is in the peninsular plateau, they hardly need any woolen clothes. What is the reason behind that? It is because of the climate. So climate influences not only in the clothing habit but also in the food habits, also in the manner of construction of houses, in the manner of growing crops, etc. So if you talk about India is having a monsoon type of climate. So the word monsoon, it is derived from the Arabic word monsoon, which means season. So monsoon, what happened in the monsoon? There is a complete reversal or change in the direction of the winds. The winds started blowing from the southwest direction, that we will study later. So first of all, the difference between the climate and the weather. What is climate? Climate is the sum total of the weather condition and the variation over a long period of time. And you know that if we are saying that the climate of a particular place, it is cold, hot or humid, on what basis we are saying that? We are saying that because we have calculated the average of the weather condition that were prevailing over the last 30 years. Now what is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. For example, in the morning you have observed that the weather it is sunny. In the afternoon you observe that the weather is cloudy. So all this counts in the weather. But the elements of weather and climate, it remains same, like temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, winds, etc. Now if you want to know the climate of any place, first of all there are 6 factors which govern the climate of any place. First is latitude, second is altitude, third is pressure and wind system, fourth is distance from the sea, fifth is ocean currents, and sixth is the relief features. Today we will study about the 2 features. First is latitude and second is altitude. So what is latitude? You know that this is globe, and if you see that this is our earth. So there is a line of 0 degree equator which divides the earth into 2 halves. Can you see this line? So if you see that this is the sun, so the amount of the solar radiation on the equator, it is high. As a result, what happened? The temperature here it is high, and as a result, this region it is having the tropical and the equatorial type of the climate. On the other hand, due to the curvature of the earth, the poles they received less amount of the solar energy. As a result, as we move towards a higher latitude, the temperature it is less, and the climate here we can see that they are having the frigid and the temperate type of the climate. Now second factor is altitude. Now what is altitude? What is altitude? Suppose this is the sea level Now, as we move towards the up direction, the temperature, it is started decreasing, and the molecules here, it becomes less dense. That's why we need oxygen as we move towards a higher altitude. In the next class, we will study about the pressure in the wind system. Thank you.